Here you see my beautiful daughter preparing some KFC that we bought. We went hugging bucket with extra slaw and lots of gorgeous chicken.
And chips.
Oh, and what's this, barbecue sauce,
yeah,
darling?
barbecue sauce.
Yeah. And some Pepsi Max. So if you excuse us now, this beautiful girl and me are going to eat. So it's Saturday morning and my lovely daughter has made me a gorgeous breakfast of sausages, scrambled eggs and bacon. How good is that? And there's a little doggy here who's trying to hide from me at the moment.
Who's hoping for snacks?
Who's hoping for some food.
But she's not getting any.
She's not getting any. I'm going to tuck into this though. Check that out. Scrambled eggs, gorgeous sausages, and some nice bacon.
It's quite a good camera, isn't it?
All right, that devilishly handsome fella there is my son, Lewis. Sorry, girls, he's taken by that beautiful girl in the middle of the picture there. And Jamie's in the back, and Lauren is tucked away behind moi. And we're heading for, we're going bowling in King's Lynn, which should be a bit of fun. I don't know if we'll be able to film in there, but I'll be able to sneak a couple of shots, I think. All right, so we'll see you there. So we're on the road to King's Lynn at the moment because that's where we managed to get a bowling lane. And I'm just showing you a bit of the local topography. It's very flat in stark contrast to where I live in North Wales. It's very flat here. And if I just sort of show you around a little bit, it really is flat. That's the... And there's also dikes which separate the fields, and a lot of this land was recovered by Dutch engineers a couple of 100 years ago, and that's also reflected in the names of some of the people around here who have rather Dutch surnames, right? So we're now heading towards King's Lynn. There's not a lot to show you because it is flat. It looks a lot like Holland here. Totally transfixed watching TV, of course. So I'm stuck in Crewe, awaiting a later train because my connecting train was late. I don't think it would be Great Britain if it wasn't late. I think I was in Germany or Switzerland or something. But I'm waiting now for connection to Rhyl. Should arrive at Rhyl about half an hour to an hour late. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.